Welcome back to the new video, guys. And in this video I am going to tell you that how I reprogrammed my mind and how we can reprogram our mind for success. Everybody's having so many troubles in our life, and we all know that emotional well-being is the most crucial thing for success. If we are not successful, if we are not uh, got the things that we wanted, that time I think we missed something. We are not doing something, we not did something that required. And every single person, we are not having good what I can say, like, but get to the point, guys. Like, if you want to get success, there is a something that every successful people are doing, and this is about our emotional well-being. Emotional things is very important. Every day we are facing troubles, we are facing bad circumstances, and we are thinking negative, in a negative way about our progress. In my case, like, if I tell you that I'm making videos, I'm learning English, sometimes I'm not speaking in a good way. That time I start feeling bad, I start feeling not worthy, like, why I'm doing this. And if my views are not getting in a good way, if I'm not getting views in a good way, that time I start feeling bad. So our emotional, and when we wait, when we start feeling bad about our progress, that time we are suppressing the energy, negative energy. Okay, negative energy to this universe, and definitely we will get back the same kind of energy. This is law of universe, this is law of attraction, this is law of vibration. So in this video I will tell you, I'm telling you what I'm saying. Okay, so get to the point, guys. I started doing meditation twice in a day, for every single day. In almost a week I've been doing it, and it's my like sixth day, I think sixth day. And I regularly am doing twice in a day, 1 hour meditation every single day. And guys, you won't believe, but I'm feeling that yes, something is in myself that I can do anything. I have the power to do every single thing in my life. Because this is important, guys. Our mental well-being is totally depend on our thoughts and our information that we are taking every single day. You are watching this video, you are taking something, some information for your brain, for your mind. And what kind of information you are taking, it's very important. So I started meditation, and I know that you, when you heard this word meditation, you thought that, oh my god, Rahul, it's very, it's not that much easy to do 1 hour meditations twice in a day. But guys, trust me, if you are a beginner, if you are just started, just do. Because when you sit for 1 hour, you definitely get the sitting power. You definitely will be comfortable, more comfortable with your sitting time. And this is the thing where everybody is lacking. So many people are lacking, not everybody. So many people are failing. So what I'm doing, I tell you, guys. First, I download a 1 hour guided meditation. I know that if you are a beginner, I am doing meditation even before this week. I started my meditation journey in, I think, 2019, when I I aware about meditation. Okay, so I'm doing it. But in your case, if you are not doing meditation, if you not did meditation ever, and if you are doing, it's okay. This video is for you. Watch it till the end. So what I did, I downloaded a 1 hour, guided meditations, which gonna help me, which are helping me to be present at that moment. When we are sitting for 1 hour, it's a big time, guys. It's not a a small time, 60 minutes. So when you're sitting for 60 minutes, that time there might be a chance, might be, must be a chance that you will get distracted. You will start thinking about something that going on in your life, but we shouldn't do that. Okay, so for this, that's why you should download at least 1 hour guided meditation and just play that meditation. You can put that your phone just right before you, wherever you are sitting. It's no matter, on your bed, on your chair, wherever, but try to be comfortable while you're with your sitting, with your sitting place. Do this, start doing meditation, try to be in present moment. When you do that, that time you are washing your brain, washing your mind. And if I tell you a story, like if you are wearing a cloth, wearing a t-shirt or pajama, and you are doing some work in the field, that time you will definitely, your clothes will messy, become messy. And when you got a messy clothes, that time it's your duty to wash your clothes. Okay, and if you are doing that work again and again, and you got so much mesh on your, and dirt on your clothes, that time it's your duty to wash at least twice a day for clothes. But it's all mind. So if you start doing meditation twice a day, you will definitely wash every negative thoughts from your brain. And thoughts is everything. We are we are here, we are doing, we are controlled, we are controlled by our thoughts. So this video is all about do meditation, guys. Meditation is only way. Everybody's yeah, I know that there lot of other things are also present to do that, like visualization, like affirmations. This is also crucial, this is also important. But you should start, you are a beginner, you should start with meditation, no matter. And guided meditation, do guided meditation. Okay, play some music, some guided music while you are doing meditation. And guys, we all are think about it that yeah, why I'm not getting the things that I wanted, what's wrong I'm doing, what's wrong with my life. I'm putting efforts, but I'm not couldn't able to get those things. Guys, it's journey. We all are in a process, but the things in our hand, our future is not in our hand. What how much huge amount of money we will get, it's not in our hand. That's not in our hand. But our morning routine is in our hand. Doing meditation is in our hand. Doing visualization is in our hand. Doing affirmations is in our hand. Watching good content is in our hand. Okay? So just start putting effort in a positive way. Watch video that make you feel good. Listen the music that make you feel good. And every morning, guys, take your bath as early as you can. And after that, after my bath, like what I'm doing, when I take a bath, and after that I sit for 1 hour. That time, I'm also drying my body. Okay, we are soaked when we got, when we took a shower. So you can easily do. And after, in the evening, like 6 o'clock, when my video is uploading, that time I do meditation. So you can do, you start your meditation journey, and try to focus on things that is that are in your hand. Okay, I know that it's a journey, it's a process, and we all are lacking with our emotional well-being. Our emotions is not stable. We all are changing. We all are different moods we are facing every day. Sometimes we feel very good, yes, I got more views. And sometimes we got, yes, I got the fluency, I can speak English fluently. And sometimes we thought that, what's wrong going on with me? And before that, there might be a chance that you had a session with someone who was more fluent than you. When we saw something, when we see someone that are more fluent and more successful, rather than us. That time we have that kind of emotions. Just try to be resilient, try to be, just enjoy the process. I start, a kind of vlog type of videos because I love it. I love it. I start making videos because I love making videos. I'm doing meditation because I enjoy that process. And every day, if I had something and I have something, that time, I try to be aware, I try to be recognized that where I'm lacking, what is the thing that I should improve to be more comfortable with my meditation. For my YouTube, I'm looking, I'm seeking every day, I'm seeking for the thing that will make me more comfortable while making videos. And I found that, when I write something, write a script, and when I, try to say, try to tell you everything according to that script, that time, you know I felt that's no, this is not a, good thing. Like that time I felt that I don't like this, and that time I was not comfortable. So I start making a kind of vlog without any script. Yes, I write a kind of, intro, you can say, like what I will say, what I will tell you. So try to, look, try to watch, and try to, seek for things that will make you more comfortable with your work, guys. The thing can make us happy is our work. And if you are watching till now, yeah, you means a lot. You means a lot to me, guys. And if you are watching till now, I know that now I'm not telling you something good. I already said that time. I think you built the connection with me, and I'm here just to build the connection with you. The, we have to connect with the person, not the video. We have to do this, guys, because when we connect someone from, to someone, that time we can relate our life with that person. We can learn more. And if we are watching continuously so many videos and don't building the connection with that person, that time we are wondering, we are, skeptical. We are making the skeptical situation. I should do this, I should do that. But when we get someone that our mentor, or that our brother, we can say in my case, so that time you will follow that thing for sure. If you mean, if you, like you taking me serious, and you think about me that yes, Rahul, you are a good person, that time you will definitely do this meditation. And I'm with you, guys. I'm always with you. You can connect with me on my Instagram, you can connect with me on in the comment box, and you can connect with me even my WhatsApp. But follow this, follow this, guys. Get we definitely will get this success that you are dreaming, you are visualizing every single day. And try to be visualize and dream, you know to just your dreams, like to just your goals, what you will achieve in your future. Don't think and visualize negative things that are going on in your life. Okay, this is enough, I think. Yes, I'm, in last video I uploaded about movie, and I watched that movie, and today I complete another movie, was Good Burger, and another movie was Riddle of Fire. And those movies are also, good. I'll make a movie review video, or you can comment, I'll give you the link for that movies. Okay, and try to learn something good, guys. It's a process, enjoy the process. I'll meet you in the next video for sure. Till then, bye bye, take care, start your meditation journey.